In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a custom domain with GitHub Pages. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Using a custom domain can really enhance your online presence, especially if you're showcasing your personal projects or portfolios on GitHub Pages. So let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to set this up. First, you'll want to log into your GitHub account and navigate to the specific repository for which you want to set up the custom domain. Once you're logged in, find the repository from your list. It should be easy to spot if it's one you frequently work with. Now that you're in the repository, take a moment to look at the navigation bar located at the top of the page. In this bar, you'll see various options like Code, Issues, Pull Requests, and finally, Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, you'll be directed to a new page with multiple options and menus. Don't worry, we're just a few steps away from setting up your custom domain. On the left side of this settings page, look for a menu item that says Pages. This is where all the magic happens. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on Pages, you'll notice a few options and settings. Here you should see something that says Custom Domain. This is the section we've been preparing for. Now, all you need to do is enter the URL of your custom domain here. For example, if you've registered a domain like mywebsite.com, just type that in the provided box. After pasting your URL, be sure to double-check that everything looks correct. It always helps to ensure there are no typos or errors in your domain name. Once you've confirmed that your custom domain is correct, look for the button that says Save. This button is usually located right below the domain input field. Go ahead and click on it, and that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully added your custom domain to your GitHub Pages site. Now your project is even more personalized and easier for others to find. But there's one more important step after this. You'll need to ensure that your domain is properly pointed to GitHub's servers. To do this, you'll have to log into your domain registrar and access your DNS settings. Typically, you'll want to create a CNAME record. In the CNAME record, you'll enter your GitHub Pages URL, which usually looks like username.github.io. This tells the internet where to direct traffic for your custom domain. If you're unsure how to do this, most domain registrars have guides available on their websites to help you along the way. Once everything is set up with your domain registrar, it might take some time for the DNS changes to propagate. So don't worry if your custom domain doesn't work immediately. Just give it a little while, and soon enough, it should start displaying your GitHub Pages content. And there you have it. You now know how to use a custom domain with GitHub Pages. If you enjoyed this guide, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy coding!